Now let's look at this question. So for this question, it is given to us that an object of size 7 cm is placed at a distance of 27 cm in front of a concave mirror whose focal length is 18 cm. So we have to find out the place in front of the mirror where we can place a screen, okay, where we can place a screen so that an image can be object. So we have to basically find the image distance, and furthermore we have to also find the size and nature of the image. So first look at the data. So the data given in the question is that object distance is -27, the object height and focal lengths are given respectively. So I will use the given relation called mirror formula to find out the image distance. So I know that focal length, object distance and mirror image distance are related by this mirror formula. So from this I can find out the nature of the image position. So I can find the position of the image. So from this formula, if I put the values, the value of V, that is image distance, comes out to be -54 centimeters. So the screen should be placed at a distance of 54 centimeter in front of the given mirror. Okay, so this minus sign tells me that if this is my mirror and object is placed somewhere over here, so image is also formed on the same side. Okay, so it could be upwards, it could be downwards, we don't know right now, but we know that it is in the front of the mirror. So image formed is in front of the mirror. So screen should be placed somewhere over here. Okay, so this much we know. Now we want to find the size and nature of the image. So for this we need to find the magnification. So now let us look at the magnification. So we know that magnification is nothing but image distance upon object distance, that too with a minus sign. So from here I get a magnification of -2. Now I get a magnification of -2. What does this mean? It has two implications. Okay, so m equal to -2 has two implications. First is the implication of this negative sign. So negative sign tells me that image is real. Image is real. Okay, and the number 2 tells me that it is larger than object. The image is larger than object. Okay, so magnification has two parts, that is the sign part and the number part or the magnitude part. So magnitude tells me the size and the sign part tells me the nature of the image. Okay, so from here I get that magnification is equal to -2. So the negative value of magnification indicates that the image formed is real. Okay, and the number greater than 1 tells me that image is larger than the size of the object. Now magnification is also given by the relation image height upon object height. Now image height will be equal to magnification into object height. So image height comes out to be -14. Okay, so this height is -14. It also has two implications. The number part is telling me that it is larger than size of the object. That image is larger than object. Okay, and this negative sign part tells me that image is inverted. The image is inverted. Okay, so the negative value of image height indicates that the image formed is inverted, and the number greater than 14 obviously tells me that this is greater than the size of the object. That is, the object was 7 centimeter and the image is larger than the object. So this is my desired answer.